Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a fall makeup look. It's so interesting because currently it's like 30 degrees outside and I'm wearing a sleeveless top. It's so hot, but still we are ready for fall, so let's get started. If you're interested in makeup, then please subscribe and keep on watching. Today's look is going to be a real burgundy fall autumn colored makeup look, and I'm gonna be using a lot of the items that I'm currently panning for Project Pan, and also this eyeshadow palette from Lovely. This is the Call Me Crazy palette, and it's crazy good, you can believe that. Look at all of those shades, and we're gonna concentrate on these shades especially. So let's get started. To prime my eyelid, I'm gonna be using something that's a little bit unconventional, and it is a liquid lipstick. This is the NYX Soft Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is the shade, where is it? So this is in Cypress, and I love this on the lips. I'm gonna be wearing this on the lips, but first I'm putting it on the eyelid because these are perfect to prime your eyes, and I just love this shade for fall. Just that much, and blend it out with my finger. It is already a beautiful color, I love it. Tiny bit more. It's such a cool pink base that I absolutely adore this on the lid. And now for the transition, we're going into a palette that I'm panning currently, and it is this one from L'Oreal. I don't know the name of it because it was here. I think it's called Seductive Rose or something, but I'm gonna show you. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going into this shade as a transition on a fluffy brush. These are very powdery but very cute. And to give it a little bit more depth, I'm going into that shade, the burgundy-ish shade, and putting it just in the crease, so a little bit lower, a little bit more defined of an area. And of course, I'm using the more pointy end of the brush. Starting in the outer corner for the most concentration of the color. Same thing. And of course, we need to deepen the color a bunch. I'm gonna be using that mauve-y shade. I guess it's kind of a mauve in the outer corner. So going in there. Just in the very corner. And the same color under the eyes. And for the center of the lid, I'm going back into the L'Oreal palette, and I'm putting that color, which is a really fun mauve-y pink, a lighter mauve-y pink. I'm putting that on the rest of the lid. Very, very powdery. And now, just to make everything pop a little bit more, I'm going back into the Lovely palette, and I'm using this really beautiful look at that shade. I really have to swatch it for you. This is not white, that's actually a shimmer, and I'm hitting myself with a palette, but look at that shade. I'm putting that on the center of the lid. And probably in a corner, I'm thinking. Yeah, let's do it. we're going in with a pencil, and I have a brown one from Rimmel. This is the Scandalized in 005 brown, and I'm using it on the waterline. Probably a tiny bit on the upper lash line. And now to finish up the look, well, the eye look at least, mascara. L'Oreal Bumby Eye. Okay, so these are the full eyes. I absolutely adore this. You could of course make it more smoky, make it more pink, but I just love this look for fall. And we're not done yet because I want to do the lips as well. I'm just removing the current lip, which is basically just this lip gloss. And I'm going in with two things. First of all, we're going back into the NYX Soft Matte Lip, but to make it more fall looking, or autumn, however you like it, I'm using this lip crayon from Maybelline. This is the Super Stay Matte Ink Crayon, and this is the shade Settle for More. And I'm gonna kind of use this as liner, but a little bit as, you know, a lip color as well, so it's gonna be interesting. Of course, this is what it looks like, a true burgundy for fall. But I think I want the edge to be a little bit more sharper because I'm gonna be using this as lip pencil as well. So just with the end of it, I'm gonna sharpen a little. Okay, now it's good. So let's line the lips. And kind of leaving at the center of the lips. I'm putting in the center the NYX. Just a little ombre. I'm gonna set it with the Physicians Formula. So this is it. This is my autumn makeup look. I hope you like it. I hope you will try it. And then until the next one. Bye bye.